One of my favourite walks is the walk from Fricliana to the Caves of Nercha along the GR 249. And today we walk from Fricliana over to Rio Chilar, where we stop and have our picnic lunch. But instead of walking onto the caves, we decided we would return back to Fricliana. It's a fantastic route. It's quite a tough route, and in today's temperatures where we were up around 27, 28 degrees, it was even tougher again. But we had a beautiful walk. We all made it to the river where we had a nice rest and a picnic, and were able to bathe our feet and more. And then we returned afterwards. It took us 5 hours. It's approximately 14 to 15 kilometers. The overall accumulated ascent would be in and around 700 meters. So it's a tough little climb, and certainly the views and the vistas along this trail are fantastic. It's a well marked, it's a well trodden trail, and although we didn't meet anybody along the way today, this generally is a well used trek, and it's a beautiful one. For anybody who comes down here on group holidays, I always use this trail. We always do this one at least once. So here we are, finally arriving down into the canyon where the Rio Chilar runs through. You will see the odd signpost every now and then telling us we're on the Gran Senda de Malaga, 650 kilometers of a circular trail all around the province of Malaga in roughly 30 stages, I believe. But this is a great picnic spot. Boots off, socks off, and feet in the water. Lovely.